cancelled, marvellous, traveller. Single L or double L in the spellings? Which is the British spelling and which is the American spelling? Do you know? Hi there, this is Joanne from howtospell.co.uk, and in this lesson we're looking at the double L spelling rule. Let's look at those words again. Cancelled, marvellous, traveller. Which are the British spellings and which are the American ones? These are the British spellings with the double L, and these are the American ones with the single L. We don't usually double up the L in American English, but sometimes we do if the stress falls on a syllable other than the first one, which we'll see later. As I've said before, it's always great to know the difference between British and American spellings because it stops you getting confused because of spellcheck, internet books, etc. So let's look at why and when we double up the final L. Usually in British English, we double up the final L when a word is more than one syllable and we add a vowel suffix. But like all rules, there are exceptions which we'll look at later. And as I said, we sometimes double up the American spelling too, so watch out for those later. So we have cancel, 2 syllables, cancel. And when we add vowel suffix ending, we double up the L. So we've got cancelling, cancelled, cancellation. But American spelling, we don't double up. Cancelling, cancelled, cancellation. And we've got marvel, marvellous, marvelled, marvelling. And look at the American spellings. We've got travel, travelling, travelled, traveller. Model, modelled, modelling, modeller. Fuel, fueled, fueling. Initial, initialed, initialing. American usage agrees with British on words that have the stress on the second syllable. So, control. Can you hear that? Control. The stress is on the second syllable. Control. So we've got controlled, controlling. Patrol, patrolled, patrolling. Expel, expelled, expelling. Extol, extolled, extolling. Annul, annulled, annulling. Both American and British English agree not to double the L in parallel. Paralleling, paralleled. Otherwise, too many L's. We don't double up the L in these words. Appeal, appealing, appeal. Devil, devilish. Loyal, loyalist. Travel, travelogue. We have some root words that are spelt differently in British and American English. Look at British enroll, and it has a double L in American. So when we add a vowel suffix, we've got enrolling, enrolled. But enrollment, remember, only double up with vowel suffixes. But in American English, so we have a double L at the end, so we've got enrolling, enrolled, means we have a double L with enrollment. But the British is just one L. Okay? This is the same with fulfill. Look at British, only one L at the end, and then American 2 L's. I've got fulfilled, fulfilling, fulfiller, fulfillment. 1 L for British, 2 L's for American. Remember to look in a dictionary or online dictionary if you're not sure about a spelling. I use Oxford, Cambridge and Macmillan all the time. They also have the pronunciation too and American spellings. For just American spellings, I use Merriam-Webster. I love these online dictionaries and I use them all the time. So don't give yourself a hard time for using a dictionary. If you want to learn more about spelling rules, then I have the perfect book for you, the Spelling Rules Workbook, a step-by-step guide to the rules of English spelling. So pop over to my website, www.howtospell.co.uk, and check it out. Plus there are lots of free lessons, exercises, tests there too. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, and bye for now, and see you in the next lesson.